explore Hong Kong in Sham Shui Po now, Fuk Wing Street, also known as Toy Street. The Mid-Autumn Festival is approaching, so we come here for the lanterns. So this is showing to you an old Yizi Po, a paper offering shops, that during this time of the year, this kind of shop also sell lanterns. So I think there are much less lanterns that I expect in Sham Shui Po. So here you can find some huge jade rabbit. And these are the lanterns that I liked when I was young. That they can sing, they can dance, they can't dance, they can sing and shine. And for now, I prefer the traditional one. They also have a pomelo. This is the first time I see a pomelo lanterns. So pomelo and star fruit are the two fruits that are in season during the Mid-Autumn Festival that people eat during Mid-Autumn Festival. Goldfish, lotus flowers that cost $138. Quite expensive. These kind of traditional lanterns are much more expensive in these few years. Butterfly, big rabbit, $150. So they're doing a discount because Mid-Autumn Festival is approaching. It falls on this Saturday, the 10th of September. So this big star fruit only costs $100. There are much less lanterns than I expect. I would recommend you to come here before the Lunar New Year. That is more festive than the time before the Mid-Autumn Festival. So you can find much more decorations before the Lunar New Year. More goldfish, $269. Miss Woody ice cream truck. It is not updated because it costs $12 for the soft ice cream, not $8. So you can also make DIY lanterns. A lantern that can dance. A Hong Kong bus, $79. Okay, let's go to another side of the street. So now I'm at Fuk Wing Street in Sham Shui Po, also known as Toy Street. A cat and a rat, $30. This side of the street is much more festive. So many cats here. I think I met her before. You can check out our video, Lunar New Year video, that we do Lunar New Year shopping in Fuk Wing Street, and then check out whether it is the same cat. My grandmother also buy the glow stick, 螢光棒. My conclusion is lanterns are getting much more expensive in recent years, especially the traditional one. Okay, that's the end of the video. We hope you enjoy this short trip with us in Sham Shui Po, Fuk Wing Street. See you soon. Bye bye.